Welcome back. Today on Real Reviews. This is not really a review. I just kind of wanted to bring something to your attention that happened to me recently and just show you how I was able to remedy the situation. So you notice up here on the wall, I have a Kidde. This is a smoke/carbon monoxide detector. And what happened is this thing was just going off and just screaming. And if you notice and press the button, this is what it sounds like. Okay, so that thing was going off for like, I don't know, must have been going off for like 20 or 30 minutes and I cannot figure out how to stop it. I tried pressing the button. I took the battery out. The only way I was able to actually stop it was to turn off the circuit breaker. Even after taking it off the wall and unplugging it, unless you did that to all three of them that I have, there was just no way to stop it. It was driving me absolutely insane. My eardrums were about to explode and I was completely freaking out, didn't know what to do. It turns out that basically the way that these things work is they have some type of sensor inside of them that senses particles. So I guess smoke gives off particles. I don't know if carbon monoxide is the same way or not, but it senses the particles. And after a while of being up on the wall, if you don't take it and clean it out regularly, like once a month, that eventually that will happen to you. So basically what you have to do, you have to take it off the wall, just like this. It has a little plug in the back. You're gonna unplug it just like that. So what I was thinking is that you could just blow air into the sides right here, into these gills, and it would clean it out. It would be able to reset it, but that's not what you have to do. You have to take a little air blower, like the little Roedix R9 right here. You have to go around the back. So you would turn on your air blower just like this. You go around the back and blow it out like this. And that was pretty much it. And once I did that on all three of them, the sound stopped and I was back in business with my hearing intact. It only took me a couple of minutes. And if you guys want to avoid that particular situation, I suggest you take these down at least once a month or at least once every 6 months at the most, and just take a little blower to the back of them and just blow out right along this back edge, and that cleans out the sensor, and then you won't have that problem. And once you're done cleaning it out, you just take it and put it back the same way you got it down. This very easily just plugs in just like this. There we go, back in business. Get it back in a little spot. And there we go, back in place. So all you have to do is just keep that clean and you will be able to avoid all of those problems that I just went through. Anyhow, hopefully this helped you guys resolve that issue if you've ever had it or to avoid it in the future. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss another video on Real Reviews. See you guys next time.